Strawberries with balsamic vinegar. A very simple but very traditional and delicious dessert. Well, of course, you need to begin with good strawberries, so make sure that you find them nice, ripe. When they're in season, of course, they're the best. You wash them and just cut them in four. Now, could you do this with other fruits? Yeah, raspberry, whatever, but strawberries are traditional. Somehow, strawberries and balsamic vinegar go really good together. Some superfine sugar, so it kind of draws out the juices of the strawberries. We'll do half an orange juice. Half is fine. So let's just squeeze out. And this is delicious even now, but balsamic vinegar. This one is really very good. Short of going very, very expensive. This is, you see how syrupy? This is what you want, the concentration, and you just pour. Oh. It is so delicious. So here it is. You let this marinate for about 20 minutes, and then we're ready to prepare the dessert. Balsamic vinegar is basically the juice of the Trebbiano grapes, which is reduced and cooked to about 40%. It's put in these barrels. It begins with a big barrel, 60 liters, and in the first year, it loses about 10%. So then it is sort of poured in the smaller cask. And then at the end of 7 years, at the end, you get about 10 liters out of that 60 liters that you began with. And you get this intense syrup. And when you have such a special product, you don't cook these unique products and traditional products. You alter them as little as possible. Pouring it over ice cream, pouring it over strawberries, just as is. It is the best. The strawberries marinated, made some whipped cream, brought you some biscotti, and we're all set to plate and to taste. So let's give it another I'm just gonna taste one like that. So good. So it's rather simple. What you could add to this, if you like, is some ice cream. You can put some ice cream first, then the strawberries on top, then the whipped cream and the rest. But this is simple and delicious, and I like it just this way. That's a plateful. Let me put a little bit of whipped cream on top. And maybe just a little bit more of the sauce around it, like that. And maybe just a little strawberry right on top, like that. I think we are ready to taste. You can put it at the table and they can make their own, but you can make them like this and bring them, and it just looks grand. Delicious, perfect balance. The strawberries are ripe, really strawberry flavor. Acidity and the complexity of the balsamic vinegar, the creaminess of the whipped cream. It's a perfectly balanced dessert.